Isang karangalan na kausap ko ang isang palangga nation na may 6.9 million Facebook followers at pasensya na hindi nakuha ng screen recording ang pinag-usapan namin.
I'm gonna be better, better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous, you don't deserve it